In this video, I'll show you how you can download VLC Media Player on Windows 11. So there are two ways to do this. The first way, you can go to the Microsoft Store if you are logged in. The second way, you need to open up a web browser. I recommend you open up a web browser and just search on Google for VLC Media Player. Once you've done that, you need to go to their official website, which is videolan.org. So VLC Media Player is created by Videolan. So once you click onto their website, you can go ahead and download VLC. Click on that button and it will then open up this window, and it should download the installation wizard. It should automatically start, and then you'll see the installation wizard in your downloads. So open up your file explorer, go to downloads, and then run the installation wizard. From here, you can click on your language, click OK, click next, and next again. Then you can choose the type you want to install. I'm going to click on recommended. Then we can click on next. Choose a location. I'm going to keep it on the default program files and click install. There you go. That's now been installed. We can then click finish. And then if you've got VLC Media checked, it will then launch it. And that is all you need to do to install it.